right, we are in Salt Lake City. It's cooler than the rest of our adventures so far, I think.
So far, yes.
Cooler in the sense that it's about 43 degrees right now. And Kirsten doesn't have her seatbelt fastened. Shame on you.
Well, I was worried
Shame
on you.
Fasten
No,
the seatbelt. Safety first. Safety first.
Oh, crap. Come here.
Here. I got the gnome. So today, everything we're going to see is kind of in a compact place. Kirsten, what are we seeing today?
We are first venturing off to see the giant iguana. And then we're going to find a Mr. Muffler, which has been shaped into a very special guest that will be in a later video. And then we're going to try the Natural History Museum, which has a very large collection of dinosaur skeletons. And we may check out the zoo because they have some cool things.
So all of that and dinner with
And Nomi's coming
Karen at the airport. So, and Nomi is coming along the way. I'm in trouble because there's no gnome seatbelt. So,
right.
That's today, and we'll catch up to everyone later.
Okay.
You're way ahead. You were all excited to see that. What was it?
It's the great home of the Mormons at Temple Square, and it's all covered with scaffolding and fencing, and apparently the Mormons are getting a facelift. Not sure what's going down there.
Right, that's what you're seeing now, and now we're going to pick up some dinner and go to Barb's, have some dinner. Haven't seen her. I think it's been about 3 years or now. And then we're going to head off to the airport and get Karen, because tomorrow is...
Go to the Salt Flats Day.
Salt Flats Day. So, hope you enjoyed. Catch you later.